Trials and hardships are inevitable parts of life. They test our resilience, push our boundaries, and often leave us feeling overwhelmed and defeated. However, it is in these moments of adversity that we have the opportunity to rise above our circumstances and discover our inner strength. James 1 verse 3 encourages us to embrace trials with courage, as they are the stepping stones to personal growth and strength. This powerful verse reminds us that trials are not meant to break us, but rather to shape us into the best versions of ourselves. Embrace trials, the pathway to personal growth and strength. Trials have a way of revealing our true character and strength. They force us to confront our weaknesses and push ourselves beyond our perceived limits. When we face challenges head-on, we develop resilience, determination, and perseverance. Embracing trials allows us to grow not only in our abilities, but also in our character. It is through these difficult moments that we learn valuable lessons, gain wisdom, and become better equipped to handle future obstacles. By facing our trials with courage, we create a pathway to personal growth and strength that can transform our lives. Discover courage within, unleash the power of James 1 verse 3. James 1 verse 3 reminds us that trials have a purpose, and that purpose is not to destroy us, but to build us up. When we embrace this truth, we unlock the power of courage within us. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the ability to face fear head-on and continue moving forward. It is the strength to persevere in the face of adversity, to refuse to let trials define us or hold us back. By tapping into the courage within us and trusting in the process of trials, we can unleash our full potential and achieve remarkable things. James 1 verse 3 serves as a reminder that we have the power to overcome any obstacle that comes our way. Inspiring stories, how others found inspiration in James 1 verse 3. Throughout history, there have been countless individuals who have found inspiration in James 1 verse 3 and used it to triumph over adversity. One such inspiring story is that of Helen Keller. Despite being deaf and blind from a young age, Keller refused to let her disabilities define her. She faced numerous trials and challenges, yet she emerged as a beacon of hope and inspiration for millions. Keller's unwavering courage and determination allowed her to overcome her limitations and become an influential author, activist, and lecturer. Another remarkable example is that of Nelson Mandela, who spent 27 years in prison fighting against apartheid in South Africa. Mandela faced unimaginable trials during his time in captivity, yet he never lost hope or gave up on his fight for justice. His story is a testament to the power of courage and the ability to find inspiration even in the darkest of times. Mandela's unwavering spirit and the resilience he displayed in the face of adversity continue to inspire people around the world today. These stories and countless others remind us that James 1 verse 3 is not just a verse, but a testament to the human spirit. It serves as a constant reminder that trials are not meant to break us, but rather to shape us into stronger individuals. By embracing trials with courage, we open ourselves up to personal growth, discover our inner strength, and find inspiration to overcome even the most challenging circumstances. In our journey through life, it is essential that we approach trials and hardships with courage. James 1 verse 3 reminds us that trials are not meant to defeat us, but to strengthen us. By embracing these challenges, we unlock our potential for personal growth and inner strength. Let us take inspiration from the stories of individuals like Helen Keller and Nelson Mandela, who defied adversity and proved the power of courage. As we face the trials that come our way, may we find the inspiration to rise above our circumstances and become the best versions of ourselves.